the roller coaster equivalent to throwing a hot dog down a hallway, I suppose. But when it comes to other areas, I actually have to be really gentle because, like, it hurts. I don't know how to explain it. I always use the lowest setting, okay? I always use the lowest setting, because anything higher is too much, baby. Yeah, you need detail? I just gave it to you, Cherian. I just fucking gave it to you. You fap too much? What the fuck? That's not true! No, that would mean that you have to use the highest setting if you fucking fap too much, bro. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. Yeah, I also turned the volume on my TV down, clueless. Yeah, always make sure to turn the volume down on your phone. Otherwise, you'll start the video, and this is the first thing you'll hear. Ah! Like, Jesus Christ, if I could count, like, on my hand how many times that had happened, I would need another hand, you know? Like, shit's crazy. Vibrator about to tear those. Listen, my body is weird enough, okay? It's weird. It's a little strange. But I don't think... Example of what roommate is. Yeah, like that, but like with a more muffled sound because it's behind a door, you know what I'm saying? No, it's too intense, stop it! Stop! It's too much! It's too hard! Yeah! Stop! You're gonna make me fucking kill you. What did you think was gonna happen, huh?
Blub.
What were you trying to do there, huh?
Yeah, roommate gonna be questioning this.
I'm gonna tell my roommates all about you. I'm gonna tell them all about you. I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm gonna tell my roommates every bad thing you've done. I'm gonna tell them that every time they hear me making weird noises, it's your fault. It's all your fucking fault. It's all because of you. I am not responsible. I'm not responsible. Okay? Okay? Tell them how much we touch your horns. Chad touches my horns. Chad is so horny. Chad is so horny, bro. Why do they want to touch my horns so bad? If you make me look bad to Artsuit, listen. I will not make you look bad to roommate 2. You did that all by yourself. You did that all by yourself, okay? Just get real. Get real! I'm not responsible for the impression that my roommates have of you, okay?